Hey guys, CJ from Hunt Time Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble the Daisy Powerline 1000.177 caliber pellet rifle. There it is. That's what it looks like. Sorry I can't get the full thing in view, but oh well. It's resting on my Gamma maintenance center right now, because that's what I use to work on my guns. I'm gonna get a regular, like the real gun workshop thing, whatever you call it, maintenance center, I don't know, soon, but this is what I use for now. The scope mounts, they have a flathead screwdriver bolt that you loosen to take off, and I have this, but it does not fit properly. Let's try the screwdriver. Yeah, little screwdriver like that. Put it in sideways and just loosen straight up. It's been a while since I've disassembled this, so bear with me. Yeah, there we go. So that is a little screwdriver. This is a 4x32 scope that comes with it. Nothing special, you know. We will put that right there. Next, if you flip it over, right there, there is a Phillips screwdriver. Two Phillips screwdriver heads. So, you know, just pull out. That's my lock ring. So you have your screw. Put that right there. And then you have another Phillips screwdriver one right here. And one big one. This takes off the trigger guard assembly. Plastic trigger guard. Right there. Just put the bolt in so I don't lose it. And there you have your open trigger. If you flip it back this way, right about there, there is another Phillips screwdriver head, and the same thing right there on the other side. So just take it. Let me put a bigger head on. Yeah, that's a good one. That I'm dropping. So take that. This is a ratchet screwdriver, so sometimes it makes it easier. Twist it with your hands. There you go. There's one side. Flip it over, and yes, it is clear. And take this side out. Next step is to pop the assembly out right there. We'll put that behind. We'll get to that after. Here's your wood stock. Right here. Your wood stock. There's a metal ring piece right here. Comes out. That's what it looks like. And there's a little slit for that. I always take that out. You can take off the butt plate, but you don't really need to. So that's what it looks, checkering, like that. Now, here's the actual firing assembly. Get your barrel. This barrel looks like crap because I didn't take care of this. Because I didn't think you had to. That was before I was really into guns and everything. Iron sights, which have no iron sight on it. Moving down. Says Daisy powerline right there. You know the instructions. If you notice, I don't know if you can see it, but there's all purple stuff in there. And that is grease, because I didn't have any gun lube or anything. So I used Valvoline grease. And that's the whole assembly. Your trigger, let's just break it, you know. Trigger assembly and everything. What's that on my pants? You don't need it. So there you go. That's how to disassemble it. Now we can assemble it. To assemble it, first off you're going to need to put this piece back in. And it goes with that circle facing out, because that is where your trigger goes, right there. So, plop that on the stand. I mean, that's not where the trigger goes, that's where a bolt goes, right there. Definitely put that on, come on. There we go. Back on. Yes. Flip this over. And put it back together. Flip it over. Throw the other bolt in. There you go. And now you can put the trigger guard back on. Push that in. Let me put new Phillips head on there. And just start with the back, because it makes it easier. Nice and tight. Now, this front one won't tighten up all the way because it's screwing into wood. And I think it gets stripped after a little while. So you notice it just spinning. But it stays in there fine. So don't worry about that. Flip it over. If you notice, right here, you would have your regular iron sight. I took mine off, but I guess I can show you how to throw that on. Let me grab this fashion accessory organizer. I don't even know where the screw is. That's helpful. Let's see. That's not it. It's this one. It screws in there. So I lied. You would get that out. Which one is it? Here's your dial. Do I need a new? Oh, Phillips is good. So put that on. Tighten up your Phillips. See it. You good? Line the hole up in the middle. And spin your dial. And that's your elevation. Your windage one, stay here. I don't use this though because I don't have the front iron sight, and it helps when you drop it. And I don't like it too much, so put that there. Take this off again. That's your iron sight. That away. And there you go, folks. That is how you do a disassembly of the Daisy Powerline 1000 air rifle. So thanks for watching. If you have any tips or anything, it would help. If you know what to use for these scope mounts, that would help too. My other ones use a Allen key right there. So just tell me what you think. If you like it, if you don't, yeah, you just missed that whole thing on the scope. But oh well, you saw how to take it off. So thanks for watching.